And it's nice that you have fans when it comes to your acting, and you also have fans as far as music is concerned.
Yes, that's another first for me. Yeah.
And like, what's your favorite song? Do you have like one that parang you love singing?
Well, I actually love The Prayer.
The Prayer.
But I don't sing it.
Medyo mataas yun.
Sino ka the one mo usually? Have you ever sung it before?
No.
Never. Ito na chance natin. Ay, hindi mo ako makita. Alright, may follow-up question.
May follow-up. Sige, sure.
Ilan po ang bigyan ng kampal?
Wala pa eh. May ano lang kami, may mag-1 month celebration lang, pero yung binyag hindi pa nakaschedule.
Bakit? Ina-assume mo ba na imbitado ka? Hindi, wala pang word ha? Pwede daw, pwede.
Gusto niya maging ninang.
Oo, ninang.
Eh, kailangan doon, educational plan.
Yan.
Oh, diba?
Kasi, no? Tama yun.
Very wise.
What about you? Your side?
Okay, on this side.
Hello po, Sir Chief.
Hello.
Good afternoon po. Ako po si Miss Wenmar po. Isa po ako sa admin ng fans club po.
Wow.
Yan, Sir Chief.
Nice.
And Joe Chan Official po. Nandun po kami sa Margaret. Nasa Pampanga po kayo. So, kung tanong niya po is about po sa paano i-rate yung sarili niyo, sa akin naman po, for Jody. Kung tatanungin po ba kayo from 1 to 10, paano niyo po i-rate si Miss Jody Santa Maria po? Si Miss Jody Santa Maria po,
Paano ba i-rate?
1 to 10, paano niyo po in terms of acting?
Well, I think she's a very good actress. She's, I think, one of the best in her generation. So, she would have to be a 10.
Okay po. So may follow-up po. Magkakaroon po kayo ng movie together?
As of now, hindi na natuloy yung Be Careful With My Heart, the movie. I don't think we can do that anymore kasi nabuhos na nila yung story dito sa teleserye. So, I think we'll try and do movies on our own. She has a movie coming out already within the year. Yung Maria Leonora Teresa. And yung sa akin naman, I'll be doing another movie with Vice Ganda.
Last one now po. About po din sa concert sa Araneta po. May magiging guest po ba kayo bukod po sa cast?
Wala pang details eh. We haven't been told. Actually, sinabihan na kami. We were just told 2 days ago that we're going to have a concert. Pero wala pang details talaga kung sino mga kasama namin, anong gagawin namin. So, ano lang, we'll just inform you as soon as the details come in.
Okay po.
Thank you.
Answers. Thank you.
Grabe, no? Wala pa masyadong details, but they really want to know already.
And I think kasi, di ba, parang a lot of TV stations, they always pair up mga artistas, mga celebrities, pero every now and then, that rare chemistry comes along. Na parang it becomes iconic. And I think years down the road, maaalala pa rin nila yung Sir Chief and Maya. Kasi parang, it's one of those things na talagang grabe na catch yung parang attention ng the entire Philippines.
Right.
Yeah.
I have two more questions from this side. Okay,
Alright.
let's do this. Ay, babagay.
Nasa eyebrows lang yan. Sabi niya.
Ayun nga, nabanggit nyo nga po na magkakaroon kayo ng movie with Vice Ganda. So, ano kaya ito? Horror, action, heavy drama?
I think it's already been announced on TV. In-announce na niya sa Bandila yata. I think it's Private Benjamin, the sequel.
Oh, okay. Oh, parang it's with Vice there, you know it's gonna be a comedy.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero what a great franchise to be a part of.
Yes.
Right.
And since it was a blockbuster, the first movie, we have to make sure that this one is better.
Do you know your role?
Actually, we haven't discussed it yet. The StoryCon will be maybe next week, so we don't really know the exact story yet.
Lahat sila nakaabang, whether the movie or the concert. Alright, well, a sure sign that these are fans, because they want to know what you're gonna do next.
At saka parang hindi hindi pa sila tapos enjoying what your current project is. Naghahanap na sila ng mga, saan ka pa namin makikita, saan ka pa namin
Feeling ko
mapapagawa.
nalulungkot sila eh. Dun sa just the idea that it will end. So they want to make sure that they know what you're doing next, di ba? How about your side?
Alright, so on this side,
Hi, Sir Shi. I'm
Hi,
Christine
Dave.
from Pampanga. Sa dinami-dami na-achieve no, sa career nyo, given it's just parang konting time pa lang. May gusto pa ba kayo ma-achieve further or any dreams na gusto nyo pang regarding your career?
Well, I guess playing other roles and being good and being better at my craft. Being able to bring more entertainment to all the people who watch us. Actually, it's all about entertaining the people. It's not really about me.
May dream role ba kayo gusto ka? May dream role ba kayo?
Well, something na may konting action siguro. May konting action, may konting love story. Something like that.
Thank you.
you know, speaking of roles, kasi di ba parang you're such a parang leading man material. Would you ever consider, kunyari lang, for some strange reason, kinuha ka nila maging kontrabida? Would you be open to that?
I think, kung maganda yung story, yes, I would be up to the
Kasi
challenge.
parang that's something that I don't think people can imagine you being.
Oh, right now, huh? Right now. Because, you know, it's not tested yet.
At saka yung parang you look so mabait, so parang how would you be like a villain, di ba? Parang,
I think you could put a twist to that.
yeah, di ba?
Oh, okay. But Chico, I have no more questions on this side. Everybody has asked their question. The one person left actually just wants to see Richard up close.
Talaga?
Yeah, so one last question over
Okay,
there.
one last question.
Kinikilig siya, wala pa nga siyang ginagawa,
Sobrang
kinikilig
siyang
na siya.
nahihiya, hindi siya makasalita. Name first. Christine. Ba't ka lumayo? Kasi lumayo siya nung siya na nahihiya siya.
Huwag ka iiyak ha, question muna.
How do you manage your time in your family and your career?
Well, when we have tapings, I'm usually not at home, maybe 20 hours a day.
Wow!
So, when I'm off, I usually spend all my time with them, especially on weekends, pag wala mga engagements. Basta we make it a point that we're together. If I don't have work, Saturday, Sunday, may kasama talaga kami din. And as much as possible, pag we have long days off, we try to spend it together by going on a vacation. There should be a work-life balance, and I believe that you should spend most of your time with your family aside from work. Thank you.
Do you make it a point to have trips abroad? Kasi parang,
Yes,
kasi parang, you know, you have a little bit more
Yeah.
privacy.
Kung if not out of town, abroad, kung if not, you know, we just do the simple stuff like watch a movie or go out and eat.
Alright, so those are the 12 questions, well, more of 11. Now we're going to ask Richard to please pose with all of our
Hi.
12 VIP
Now, what are so happy?